Hey guys, it's Jessica and welcome back to my channel, and today I am back with my Sephora Play box unboxing. So let's go right ahead and get it open. Okay, so this month, clear bag again. Still have a major hatred for the clear bag. So the playbook this month looks very colorful. I'm digging it. It's kind of like hippie-ish patterns and colors, I'd say. So Sephora Play is $10 a month, free shipping plus tax, and what you get in your box is you get a playbook with a description of all the items in your box, a play card, which if you take this card into your local Sephora store, make a purchase, use this card, you will get 50 extra beauty insider points. And this card also works online now, but I believe there is a minimum purchase. And then of course you get your little bag of goodies. So let's go ahead and see what we got. The bag is packed full this time, which is nice. I don't have the highest hopes because my last several have been not the best. The Sephora Play has really kind of been disappointing me lately. So hopefully this will excite me with the stuff in this bag. Alright, so let's get started. And the first item, what do I want to grab? Let's go with this. This is from Fresh, and it is a rose face mask infused with real rose petals, and it hydrates and tones. I think the packaging is super cute. So let's see if it smells like a rose. And we got one of these. Oh my goodness, this is not what I expected it to look like. It almost looks like honey. It doesn't smell like roses to me. I don't know what it smells like. It kind of smells like tea, honestly. Maybe you can see that. I don't want to turn over too much because it seems like it will definitely spill out. Alrighty, so item number 2. Let's grab this. This is from Wander Beauty, and it says Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. Okay, cool. I've tried one of these before. It was not this brand, and it didn't really feel very good under my eyes. It kind of burnt, so maybe this one will do better for me. Okay, third item is from Milk, and it says Blur Stick Silicone Free Matte Primer. I really like Milk products, so this might be a winner. I've never tried this before. And you get I mean, not a ton of product, but decent for sample size. Okay, number 4. This feels like perfume, which I have not gotten a perfume in forever. Alright, this is Stella from Stella McCartney, and it says it is inspired by the fragile beauty of a rose, contrasted by the sensuality of amber. So let's see what it smells like. I actually like this. I really, really like this. I think this smells amazing. Okay, I think we have 2 products left. This lipstick. I kind of like the way this is shaped. I think that's kind of neat. And I really like the way the packaging feels. It kind of has like a matte feel. So this is from Bite Beauty. I really like the shape of that. And it is a lipstick, like I thought. It's kind of a dark, dusty rose color, which I really love. And you know what? I guess I'll put it on so we can see how it looks. So here it is on, and I am in love with this color. I'm sorry I kind of did a sloppy job, but you know what? I'm not really going out today, so we're actually getting really bad weather here tonight, so I kind of feel like my makeup today was a waste of time, but whatever. Anyway, I did a sloppy job on this lipstick, so don't judge me, but I really, really like this color. It is much prettier on than I thought it would be. Alright, so let's go ahead and get on to the last item. And I've had the... I'm pretty sure I've gotten this in my Sephora play box before. These repeats are really starting to kill me. Anyway, this is from Caudalie, and it is the Vino Source, don't know if I'm saying that right, moisturizing sorbet. Anyway, it's a moisturizer, it works good, I've liked it in the past, so I'll probably use it again because I liked it before. Anyway, so that was everything for this month. I do feel like this month's box was much better than last month's. Last month I got pills in my Sephora play box, which I was not happy about. I did not order this for pills. So this month is a huge improvement. So thank you, Sephora Play, for stepping up your game this month. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. So sending pugs and kisses your way. Bye!